Hey my friend, Sealy Clark here. Just going to do a quick tutorial on how to get your banners up and running no matter what business you're promoting. So I have a certain business I promote and they have banners, which is awesome. But sometimes you want to get away from company provided banners. You want to do a little uniqueness. It is always smart to test and change out your banners for which ones work best. It also helps you stand out from the crowd. So today I'm going to teach you how to do banners that you can have uploaded onto your computer. You're going to be using, you're going to have for this Imgur, that's a free account. Also a place called Banner Fans, free account. Million Leads for free, like it says, that's free. And then the business of your choice, so you can have links. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out, this is Banner Fans, that's bannerfans.com, like you can see right up here. I'll just leave the link for it down under this video somewhere. Also, Million Leads for free and so on and so forth. They'll be down there where you can find them anyway. So what I'm going to do is a commonly used size is 468 by 60. So I am just going to use, and so is 728 by 90. I'm going to start off with a 728 by 90. It's kind of a leaderboard banner, and I'm going to show you how to get started. So you're going to go to bannerfans.com. You don't have to sign up or log in or anything, and this is what you'll see. You'll see the banner's main title and text that can be dragged around. You're going to go down here. First thing I'm going to do, I've always had better luck with solid colors. Gradient color fill doesn't matter, so use solid color fill. Pick a color you like. I'm just going to use red in this instance, and I'm going to hit Update Banner. And as you see, that was blue before, now it's red. That's what we're doing, is changing it a little bit. I'm going to get rid of the font here. So this can work for whatever business you want. Now down here, first thing I did was layout. That's where you pick your size and color, which we did. Okay, that's the size, that's the color we want in this case. Now you go to text and fonts, and you can, first thing you do is get rid of this stuff in here, because I usually use a one-line call to action. You want to get their attention, get them to click on the banner. You don't need a whole lot of text for that. Now the next thing I do is I put in my text. Let's put in something simple. Steel. I use all capitals. It's totally up to you what you do. I really want to slap somebody in the face with the banner, so let's do this. Sorry for the sound effects. I live right near a road, so you might hear some motors going by. Now, one thing is, I'll show you right here, this is a long type of text. It takes up a lot of room from left to right, so I'm going to go with a different kind of text. I usually go to stock. You can get lost forever. This has so many text options, but I go to stock because I want to keep it simple. Now I'm going to use, you're going to have to kind of figure around in here and find what works best, but for example, I put Arial black, a particular size. I'm going to hit update. And you can see that you can drag it around, and that's actually almost the right size. It's big, it slaps you in the face, so that's good, but it's too big because I'm going to want to put a border on here, okay? You don't have to. So you go back down here, hit 24, which is one size less. That fits a little better. So, and you can mess around and fart around with this particular banner creation site. It works really well. I do a lot of really cool banners from here. And now to make it stand out, I am going to go to border. I'm going to hit solid, and you can play around with these. That's totally up to you. For this one, it's a big banner, so I go with a little bit thicker. What I did there, I don't mess with the color right now. Font size 4. I hit update, and bam, there's your banner. Now, how do you get a hold of it? Good question. Glad you asked. Go down here. First thing you want to do is click download banner, and it'll pop up right here. And don't worry, you won't hurt anything by doing that. Now the next thing I want you to do, that we are going to turn this into a URL, which is code that'll get this banner to show like this wherever you decide to put that URL. That'll become clear in a moment. So now you have one version of the banner. Go to get the codes. And what that does is you have codes for web pages and blogs. If you're into HTML and all that, you have plenty of stuff here to play with. I don't frig with that. I just want the direct image link. So I copy that. I come over to my Gmail, and I click down here. And for right now, paste as plain text. Okay? So you can title it whatever you want, but always put your, so you know what the banner is when you go back to it, put banner title and color here, and you're all set. So leave that just as it is for now. Click back onto Banner Fans. So now you have this URL, and you're going to go back to the previous page so you can keep in mind what you have for a banner. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to make a URL for you, because I'm assuming in this training some people may have blogs and other places to host their image, and this can be done with pretty much any free image hosting site. I just picked Imgur because that's the one I always hear about, so we're going to go make it magic here. So I go to here, and now that I had that downloaded to my computer, I'm going to upload it here. It may or may not be too big, we'll see. No, that's add descriptions and tags, add more images, download post. Let's see what we're going to do. How to find my post. Okay, share to community, no. Let's try this. This is the first time I've ever done this, so let's see what we got. Well, there we go. There is your link for this image. So you're going to hit copy. You're going to go up here to test it, go to a new browser window, paste and go, and we'll see what happens here. Learning curve for everybody. Let's see if it gives us a nice, beautiful banner. All right. Let's try this again. There's more ways around this. Open image in a new tab. Okay, this is how I'm going to try and get around this. I just want the image. So let's see if we can just get the image. Yes, there we go. Okay, so there you go. I learned something new, and so did you. So you're going to upload it to Imgur. Like I said, you take it, drag it up there, and it'll pop out like this. Then you're going to hit, ignore that box, and you're going to hit Open Image in New Tab. Bam, there's your image. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click this, bookmark this tab, okay, and you can put, I always put a little something different here. I'll put my red banner on Imgur, I-M-G-U-R, and hit done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to copy it, you're going to go back to your banner repository here in your email, because once you save this as a draft, this will always be here. So you're going to hit copy as plain text. Bam. Okay, there you go. Now you have two different, then we can put, you know, like you're going to label it, red banner for my business. Okay, so now you have two different viewable images to use for banners to advertise any business you want. I just put that as generic. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to some place where we can post our banner. So now you're good here. You can sign up, log in, and do all that. So you have these all on an account here at Banner Fans. I don't even bother, because once you make them, they're on here forever. I don't know how or why, it doesn't matter. I just know it works. I've been using this for about 4 or 5 years at least, I think. So that's free. Imgur is free, and once you know how to get your image out of it, they're good. Imgur is not going by the wayside anytime soon. You know, unless a comet lands on wherever their servers are, you don't have to worry about anything going down. So again, I'm going to show you how to get this out of Imgur. See, this HTTPS, this is the actual link to where we are right now. I frigged up, so what I do is I hit right click, open image in a new tab. I've already done that, but I'll do it one more time. It loads up here, and you look at it and you can see the difference, i.imgur.com. So that's image.imgur.com. That's the difference I just learned just now with you. So enough about that. Let's go to some place where we can post our banner. This is a free site called Million Leads for Free. I use it sometimes. I'll leave links in the description of this video to show you how to use this, but I use it for text ads, meaning I write something out in text with a link to click. But right now I found that using images is better. People don't want to figure around reading a big long letter. They don't. So I'm going to keep it congruent with my banner, because what you want, this may not make much sense or difference right now, but it's going to be steal our proven income system. Okay, that's what I'm going to write. Steal our proven income system. Question mark. I'm going to put want to. Want to steal our proven income system? Well, that created a little curiosity, I think. Here's hoping. I'm going to get the, you can go back, and you would go back, red banner for my business. Once you X out of this, it'll always be in your drafts, and the next time you go into it, this will be blue, so you can actually right-click on it and just put copy image address. I'll show you right now. So I'm going to click out of it. It does not go bye-bye. It actually gets saved in your drafts. Come on, boys, there we go. Red banner for my business. So you flop that back up there, and you notice now that it's turned blue. Awesome. So, just for the sake of, you can use either one of these, it'll work. I want to use Imgur. You see how I did that? I clicked on it. I clicked copy link address, and if you ever want to check it, you can just click on go to link so that you know it works. I'm going to use this one. So now we're going to go down here, and in this particular editor, this is to add an image. So I add an image. This little pop-up box goes in here. Image URL. That is what you just copied out of your Gmail. You're going to paste that as plain text. Click down to description. You don't have to do anything there, but I do that so I can see the whole URL. I want to make sure there are no spaces in front of this, like there's nothing there, because that'll frig it up. And it says what size it is, and then you hit insert, and holy cannoli, look at that. You have your banner. Okay, and you'll see how this looks to your people that are viewing your advertising here in a minute. Now you want to go get a link. So my particular business, I got to go make a link. Bear with me 1 second here. I'm going to go through, and you'll have links. You'll know what link you want. In this case, I want it tracked. It's always a good thing to track your links so you know what is and isn't performing. So what isn't performing you can cut out, and what is performing you can put more effort towards. So I'm going to put Million Leads for Free red 729 banner. Okay, yeah. So anyway, you guys don't need to know that, but I'm setting it up anyway, and it'll be unique to your system. They, luckily for me, they have links that you can make tracking links real easy. So that's a little bit of a long name, but doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Go back here. Yeah. Helps if I pick the right one. Now you have a link. So you have your banner here in Million Leads for Free. Click it until it's blue. Click it again. It'll come up for Insert Edit Link. And similar pop-up window. And there's a billion different places online, a billion different advertising sites that'll let you use 468 by 60 and 728 by 90. You'll know your advertising sources, policies, and what size they accept. So I hit that. You know, I look here. Very important for everything you do. Make sure there's nothing in front of this. I even scroll down to the end of it to make sure it does say that. And if you get down to the end and you're worried about it, just click off of it. It'll go back. And I'm going to put open link in different window. Okay. And I'm going to hit insert. Now I do this on this site. I usually include click this banner in the ad text, but I didn't for the sake of time. So I'm going to put bold. I'm going to make the font family is fine the way it is. I'm going to make it stand out, so we're going to use that. Doing this on the fly, guys, so bear with me a second. You'll get the idea. What I want you to be able to do is I want you to be able to take your banner for whatever business you want, stand out from the crowd, stand out from your peers, make it original, and be able to change your banners up. Now this looks like dog dirt here, okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to hit save message, preview. This is the final one here. So there it is, okay? Now that's a little off center. I'd usually figure around with it until it was centered, but it doesn't matter. Click the banner below to see how now. Steal our proven income system. So that's a pretty good eye-catching, slap you in the face ad. You hit post. So that's it. That is how you get your free banners. If you don't have a blog or any other place to upload your image, you just go to a free image hosting site like Imgur. You can use, again, bannerfans.com, Imgur.com, and you can use sites like Million Leads for free or anywhere you can post banners. So that's us, guys. Thanks for spending 10, 11 minutes with me out of your busy day. I appreciate it very much. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. Get in touch with me somehow. There'll be contact details here, and I'd be happy to help you out. So I'll talk to you guys soon, and until we talk again, have a great day.